Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the controversies that Windows 10 did bring to us, for the first time, an operating system had a sophisticated telemetry data that could be sent to Microsoft to tell them the state of Windows, how your PC is working, crash, error messages. It's a data stream that helps them identify if your PC is compatible with upgrade to some new build of Windows 10 and all sorts of things. And that was the big controversy for Windows 10 when it arrived, because of one little detail that I think Microsoft should have given the option to. When we went to the privacy tab, we could see that one of the things was diagnostics and feedback. Diagnostics and feedback was a controversy because you had an option of choosing required or optional. Optional is the one that sends the most telemetry to Microsoft. Optional, actually, depending on the state of your PC, might take a snapshot of the RAM data, which in turn could technically give some personal information depending on what's open and what you're doing. And of course, you could lower it to required diagnostics, which would be the minimum just that they need to see the state of Windows 10. Now, they put the diagnostics and feedback for a simple reason. Because of Windows as a service, they wanted to have enough information of all the PCs out there to know when some crashing occurs and when a build might have a problem and so on. And it does work somewhat. I think there probably is a limit to what they could see, but still, the big controversy is a lot of people didn't like that, because we're at the time where a lot of people don't trust Microsoft. I think it's worse today, but at that time, there's still a lot of people that don't trust Microsoft and wish there would be an off button. I personally think there should, because, yeah, tech-savvy users and, tech enthusiasts of all sorts would know that they can turn it off to have less snooping of the operating system, technically. I think it wouldn't have changed much, because most people would not have gone there to do anything. The majority of people don't even know that this is here. As a tech guy, people are just scratching the surface in an operating system. They don't go much into the settings. They don't really look at anything, because a lot of them are just afraid of opening the settings, thinking they might break something. So they would still have had enough telemetry, I think, even if they gave users a choice of turning it off. And the fact there's no off button, and it's the same for Windows 11 because they kept also that system, a lot of people didn't like that. And so it is, I have to say, still a controversy today, and I still think, even today, they should have had an off switch in Windows 11. That if you do not want to share personal information, or at least share any data coming out of your computer with Microsoft, it would be up to you to say, well, you know what? No, I don't want you to use my PC telemetry to help out. And like I said, pretty sure they would still have enough telemetry anyways. But that was the big controversy when Windows 10 arrived. For the first time, you had a Windows operating system that was automatically sending data, telemetry back to Microsoft. And unless you're a pro and you go play in the options and use the group policy editor and all of that, you can't stop the telemetry from going out. So a lot of people still today don't like that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.